So, welcome to the final week of our course, Introduction to Problem Solving. And for this discussion, we will take a look at what stood out the most throughout this course. And I can say that when I first signed up to teach this course, I actually thought it was an introduction to problem solving methods, not a basic introduction to programming, as you saw throughout this past semester. So when I first saw the first week's unit describing the 6 steps, and as we worked through the course, I saw that these were key 6 steps to problem solving that could be utilized not only in programming or in writing programs and solving problems through programs or programming, but also in everyday life. And we took a look at that, the first unit, where we applied these 6 steps to an issue that you were having or a problem that you were having, that you were able to apply these 6 steps. So this is what was key to me throughout this course, was these 6 steps to problem solving. So what are the 6 steps to problem solving? Step 1, identify the problem. Before you can try and solve the problem, you have to identify what the problem is. Step 2, understand the problem. If you are understanding the problem in the wrong way, you're probably not going to be able to solve the problem with your solutions, because if you can't figure out what the actual problem is, then it's going to be hard to solve. Step 3, identify alternative ways to solve the problem. So look at your situation or the program or the situation in alternative ways to solve the problem. Don't just determine one way to solve the problem. And we can see that throughout this semester as you turned in your programming assignments. Each of you solved the problems and the assignments in different ways and still came out with the same answer and the correct answer. So that's what we talk about when we say identify alternative ways to solve the problem. Step 4, select the best way to solve the problem from the list of alternative solutions. Step 5, list instructions that enable you to solve the problem using the selected solution. Step 6, evaluate the solution. Those are the 6 steps to problem solving, and that's what stood out most to me throughout this course. And I say that with the fact that you can use the 6 steps to problem solving to not only solve programming solutions or programs, but also everyday situations in life.